Jamaican cuisine, bold, spicy, and full of flavor. But did you know that every dish carries a story of survival, adaptation, and fusion? Today, we reveal the astonishing truth about Jamaican food that most people don't know. Jamaican food is a melting pot of cultures. African, Taino, Spanish, British, and Indian influences all blend into the dishes we love today. Take jerk chicken. Its roots go back to the Maroons, who used secret spices and slow-smoked their meat to stay hidden from British forces. Today, it's still cooked over pimento wood, giving it that unmistakable smoky flavor. And what about Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish? Ackee came from West Africa, brought on slave ships. Saltfish? That was introduced by European traders, but Jamaicans turned these humble ingredients into a world-class dish. Here's something surprising. Jamaican food isn't just about spice, it's about balance. The fiery Scotch bonnet pepper meets the sweetness of festival dumplings, the rich, slow-cooked curry goat pairs perfectly with fresh coconut water. Every dish is a carefully crafted flavor experience. And let's not forget Jamaica's hidden food gems. Have you ever tried mannish water? A spicy soup made from goat's head and feet, believed to boost stamina? Or bammy, a delicious cassava flatbread passed down from the Tainos? But here's the biggest surprise: Jamaican food is still evolving. Today's chefs are blending old and new, creating dishes like jerk-infused pasta or ackee-stuffed dumplings. Jamaican cuisine is reaching new heights. So next time you take a bite of Jamaican food, remember, it's more than just a meal. It's a journey through history, culture, and flavor. What's your favorite Jamaican dish? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.